What the fuck? Well, back in the saddle again, I guess. Get this fucking... Get my apron on, promote fucking shop safety or whatever. God, I look like such a gremlin. Hello. This doesn't work right now. I forgot to buy an SD card because I'm a fucking idiot. Hello. What's poppin', gamers? It's your boy, Big Boy, BattleBot, Battler. Oh, sure, we'll go with that fucking take. I don't care. I built a BattleBot. Hey, cool. What's up? It's this little dude. I'll put footage here. Yeah, see, look at that. This is called Hammer Point. Connect wheels, hot glue, and hoe dreams, baby. That's how we roll. So, I'm just gonna... So, anyways. So, yeah, as you can tell... Fuck cool. Works, right? Fucking... What do the kids say? Poggers as fuck? What did I talk about? I say that. Because I'm an idiot. So, yeah. Built a little... Beep, beep, deep, beep, deep, beep, beep. I built a BattleBot. So, yeah. Built a little dude. I'll put footage. Like, boom. It fucking going around and shit. It's pretty cool. My cat fucking hates it. Battery popped out. It's, honest to God, look at this. Held together by blue tack. We just gotta pump that baby back in there. Look at that. So anyways, we'll do the bit again. So anyways, hey, guess what? I built the BattleBot. That's fucking cool. Am I gonna build more stupid shit on this channel? 1000% yes. Are you fucking kidding me? I missed building stuff. And this was what we call in the biz a coke habit enabler. So yeah, I built the BattleBot. That's cool as fuck. It's falling apart on me, so I should probably stop shaking it like an irresponsible parent on New Year's after they had too many bottomless mimosas at brunch. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, yeah, quick video. Built the BattleBot. That's cool as fuck. Yeah, stay tuned for for BattleBot video number 2, where I build a better one. That's not made out of fucking connect wheels. And maybe it can, I don't know, destroy something. Cool. Thanks. Bye. Go fuck yourself.